SSC Stenographer Grade C and D English. Set 1. 1 synonym of abandon. A. Keep. B. Leave. C. Hold. D. Love. Answer B. Explanation. Abandon means to leave or give up. 2 antonym of bitter. A. Sweet. B. Salty. C. Sour. D. Spicy. Answer A. Explanation. Sweet is the opposite of bitter. 3. Choose the correct spelling. A. Beginning. B. Beginning. C. Beginning. D. Beginning. Answer B. Explanation. Correct spelling. Beginning. 4. Fill in the blank. He going to school daily. A. Is. B. Are. C. Be. D. Am. Answer A. Explanation. He takes singular helping verb is. 5. Passive voice. They eat apples. A. Apples are written by them. B. Apples were eaten by them. C. Apples eat by them. D. Apples are eat by them. Answer A. Explanation. Present simple passive is our plus past participle are written. Set 2. 1 synonym of quick. A. Fast. B. Slow. C. Dull. D. Late. Answer A. Explanation. Quick means fast. 2 antonym of polite. A. Kind. B. Gentle. C. Rude. D. Friendly. Answer C. Explanation. Rude is the opposite of polite. 3. Choose the correctly spelt word. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. D. Receive. Answer B. Explanation. Receive follows I before E except after C. 4. Change to indirect. She said, I will come tomorrow. A. She said that she will come tomorrow. B. She said she comes tomorrow. C. She said that she would come the next day. D. She said she would come yesterday. Answer C. Explanation. Would tomorrow the next day. 5. Narration. He said, I like cricket. A. He said he liked cricket. B. He said I like cricket. C. He says he likes cricket. D. He said that he is liking cricket. Answer A. Explanation. Present past in indirect speech. Set 3. 1. Fill in the blank. The baby asleep when I entered. A. Was. B. Is. C. Are. D. Were. Answer A. Explanation. Singular past tense was. 2. Synonym of famous. A. Rich. B. Well-known. C. Silent. D. Poor. Answer B. Explanation. Famous means well-known. 3. Antonym of strong. A. Powerful. B. Weak. C. Bold. D. Brave. Answer B. Explanation. Opposite of strong is weak. 4 correct spelling. A. Occurrence. B. Occurrence. C. Occurrence. D. Occurrence. Answer C. Explanation. Correct spelling is occurrence. 5. Choose the correct passive. She writes a letter. A. A letter is written by her. B. A letter was written by her. C. A letter is write by her. D. A letter writes by her. Answer A. Explanation. Present simple passive is plus past participle is written. Set 4. 1. Change into indirect. He said, we are late. A. He said they are late. B. He said that they were late. C. He says they were late. D. He said that we are late. Answer B. Explanation. Are, were, and we, they in indirect speech. 2. Synonym of tiny. A. Huge. B. Small. C. Large. D. Massive. Answer B. Explanation. Tiny means very small. 3. Antonym of beautiful. A. Ugly. B. Lovely. C. Charming. D. Bright. Answer A. Explanation. Ugly is the opposite of beautiful. 4 correct spelling. A. Successful. B. Successful. C. Successful. D. Successful. Answer B. Explanation. Correct spelling is successful. 5. Fill in the blank. The train underscore before we reached. A. Left. B. Has left. C. Had left. D. Leaves. Answer C. Explanation. Past perfect needed for earlier past action had left. Set 5. 1. Synonym of silent. A. Loud. B. Noisy. C. Quiet. D. Harsh. Answer C. Explanation. Silent means quiet. 2. Antonym of begin. A. Continue. B. Start. C. Finish. D. Move. Answer C. Explanation. Finish is the opposite of begin. 3. Spot the error. He don't play cricket. A. He. B. Don't. C. Play. D. Cricket. Answer B. Explanation. Incorrect verb. He, takes, doesn't, not, don't. 4. Choose the correct passive. They will watch the movie. A. The movie will watched. B. The movie is watched. C. The movie will be watched. D. The movie will watch. Answer C. Explanation. Future passive will be plus past participle. 5. Change to indirect. She said, my brother is cooking. A. She said her brother is cooking. B. She said that her brother was cooking. C. She said my brother was cooking. D. She says her brother was cooking. Answer B. Explanation. Present continuous past continuous in indirect speech.